Hello and welcome to my video giving a bit of feedback on a very important academic skill, and that is answering the question. Now, the students have recently answered this question. Right, this is writing homework we did recently. Which is more important to you? Cooking of food or presentation of food? Before I go any further, you want to understand that by presentation of food, it means the appearance of the food. What does the food look like? Okay, a few students didn't quite understand that. I'm talking about introducing the food, which is related, but it doesn't help in answering the question. Okay, so cooking of food compared to the presentation of food. You could say the taste of the food compared to the appearance of food. So there are 2 points that must be included in the answer. Right? There's one, the cooking of food, and the other is the presentation of food. And the perfect answer will compare these 2 things and then make some kind of conclusion. Okay? So with that in mind, please compare these 2 structures. So there's one on the left here. Quite simple. I think cooking is more important because I like cooking. Cooking brings me joy and happiness, satisfaction, relaxation, whatever it is. Therefore, cooking is more important. Okay. It's okay, but it doesn't fully answer the question because this is only one part of it, cooking. It doesn't mention the appearance of the food. The presentation isn't there. Okay, now if you have a look at this side, I think cooking is more important than presentation. There we go. It's got both parts of the question in the answer. Because good cooking equals good taste, right? We've got a reason why cooking is better than presentation. Okay, then this bit is the same, right? Furthermore, I like cooking. Cooking brings me XYZ, relaxation, joy, happiness in the home, or whatever it is. So this bit is the same as this. And this is an important point because basically this bit here on the left, okay, this is a supporting idea, right? It's not really the full arguments. It's not the main point, right? This is support for this point, which is only half the question answered. Okay. Whereas here, you've got this example is just that. It's one supporting point. It just supports this idea. It helps support this idea. And then it goes on. Nice presentation attracts us, but if it isn't delicious, we won't eat it again. Okay, so it's adding to the idea. And you can see it's fully answered the question because you've got good cooking is more important, it tastes good, and I like cooking. Right, you've got that supporting idea. Nice presentation is also good, right? It attracts us, but, right, an important but. So this answer on the right here, this one, it compares the 2 ideas in the question. Okay, and that's important. Okay, I hope that helps.